Hi everybody and welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to install a VPN on your LG Smart TV using 3 different methods. Let's begin with Method 1, installing a VPN app directly on your LG Smart TV. If your LG Smart TV supports VPN apps, this is the simplest way to set up a VPN. Many modern smart TVs, especially those running on Android TV OS or similar platforms, have VPN apps available. Here's what you need to do. Go to the App Store on your LG Smart TV. Use the search feature to look for a VPN app. Download and install the app you prefer. Open the app and log in using your VPN account details. Connect to a server location of your choice. This method provides a straightforward solution, but not all LG Smart TVs support VPN apps. If that's the case for your TV, don't worry. Let's move on to the next method. Method 2 involves installing a VPN on your home router. The primary function of a VPN router is to ensure that every device connected to your home network is protected. This means that whether you're browsing the internet on your laptop, streaming videos on your smart TV, or using your phone, your data is being encrypted by the VPN. Unlike regular routers, which only connect to the internet and route traffic without any additional security features, a VPN router adds an extra layer of privacy by securing everything that comes through it. Once your VPN is set up on your router, simply connect your LG Smart TV to your Wi-Fi network as usual. All internet traffic from your TV will then be routed through the VPN, giving you access to geo-restricted content and a more secure connection. If you prefer not to configure your router, there's Method 3. This involves sharing your VPN connection by creating a hotspot on a computer that already has a VPN installed and connected. Here's how to set up a VPN hotspot. Open the network and internet settings on your computer. Click on Mobile Hotspot and toggle it on. Click on Edit to set a name and password for your hotspot. Next, look for an option called More Network Adapter Options. Identify the mobile hotspot adapter and your VPN adapter. Right-click on the VPN adapter and select Properties. Go to the Sharing tab and check the box that says Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. In the drop-down menu under Home Networking Connection, select the mobile hotspot you created. Now, connect to the VPN using the VPN app on your computer. Once the VPN is active, your hotspot will share this connection. Connect your LG Smart TV to the hotspot you created. All traffic from your TV will now be encrypted and routed through the VPN server you selected. If you're looking for a great VPN to unblock content and increase your internet privacy, I would highly recommend NordVPN. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is no risk. Click the link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price.